how are you? I hope you are fine and good now. Like the sushi empire about I today making video, so guys, you never be skipping this errors like the video. I will be completely guide to you how to be working on this game and how to collect to be like the how much I will checking now like with 10 million coins how to be collect now. So guys, everything so much easily now, just I will explain you something about this game and I hope you will be completely watching my video and never be skipping this video. I will be completely helping to you and I hope you will be watching my video and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I will be helping to you lots of more. Okay, so let's start this game. Guys, and we already download this game. I will be completely guide to you how to complete with this game. Guys, like depend on you how much you making, like the cafe. If you have more cafe, so then you will be more earn screens and depend on you. This time I have I mean more coins, but I want to be more fastest they all of worker duties. Because net third like being so much interesting. Then this is my reward when I come here to be this. I will be go to my guys, I have lots of coins, but I needed to be more this all of workers speeding fast now. More I will be give this side. So guys, first of all I will be go on this stage because I needed to more to be higher. Checking on now all of higher now. Move back and coming this side. So I want to be more speeding fast now because then my work a good working now. Okay. upgrading my workflow, they are classes now and I'm be more easily cool. Just depend on you. Guys, just only making your cafes more and like if watching your speedy upgrading your something and then you will be easily complete to be this task. I will move back here. This is my third cafe and richless cafe because here I'm be more earns queens. Check guys, this is the best cafe. Lots of give coins. And to be easily fast to be completed your games. Okay, go. IMB go. First cafe. I see how much I will be earns going. So this easily game not to be any have problems Guys, you check under 5 minutes. I will be more. I hope you will be understand. No, thank you so much for you watching my video.